you've got to speak to a broker and find out what exactly it is that you need, and make sure it does reflect your requirements, and you've just not bought an off the shelf package thinking I'll be covered. I mean, one thing was that we thought we'd got insurance in place and that we were covered. We reviewed it tail end of last year and realised actually no. If something had happened, we would have been in trouble, because there was the gap. Because we rang up the insurer and said, "Is this covered?" And they said, "No, but that's what we asked you to cover." Oh, we better change the policy then, hadn't we? So it really is making sure you got the T's crossed and the I's dotted in terms of the cover. Yeah, we need professional indemnity insurance, and I probably say to most people providing services that they get some sort of insurance in place in those terms, and more often not, yes, they do come as a suite of documents, but just double check the terms, that things haven't been missed off, or when they ask the questionnaire, it tends to be fairly bog standard questions, and it doesn't always prompt you to think about the nuances that belong to your business, and you'll probably find that things do crop up. My professional indemnity, because it's legal, is different to Brad's as a finance and accountancy practice, so there are more specialist areas. But even then I spoke to a broker and said, this is what I want to do, can you cover me? And they came up with a couple of choices, so I was able to make it fit to what I needed.
Business insurance depends on what type of business that you do. For somebody like me who offers services for accountancy, I need to have a professional indemnity insurance, just to cover, say for example, if God forbid, I've done something wrong with my client's accounts, then that will cover me. For a construction industry, for example, so if you're a plumber, you need to have some sort of like public liability insurance, so just in case somebody trip on your tools or whatever, then at least that will cover you as well. If you've got an employee or employees, then you'll need an employer's liability insurance. If you've got an office, that needs to be printed. That certificate is quite important, actually, that you printed that and put it on the wall as to cover yourself. Right, okay. The IPT tax on the insurance is it's not a VAT. It's just it's a premium tax. So say for example you pay £200 on your insurance, and then your premium to IPT tax is 50 quid, for example. So the bottom line, basically, you claim for the £250 on your accounts. You can't claim the VAT because insurance is exempt for VAT.